Okay, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, mic check. All right. I think. Let me see. Yeah, nice. So we are live. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Let me see how the stream is doing. If everything is functioning correctly. And then we will start immediately because we are not in a hurry, but we are not going to make it a really long stream, I hope. We are going to start with a couple of things. Let me just close this down. Okay, so what are we building? Yeah, thank you, Nibla. Keep on pushing, bro. Is the music okay or is it too loud? Just lower it a little bit. Okay, let's see. Oh, I forgot one thing. Let me do it quickly before I start. Okay, I've noticed that the AI models are really slow today. So there are two things I want to do today. One is I am going to build and show you the Shopify Collab automation that I'm currently building. This is for our customer. So we are going to come on, build this out and continue building it. I faced a little bug today when I started building it. So I would like to fix that, and after that, when that's done, I'm going to close up the stream for now. But I will just show you a couple of nice little tricks I did today. And okay, let me just copy this one. Okay, let me. Okay, so let me grab it. Almost ready to roll. Okay, so. Oh, wait. Questions. All right. That's it. Okay, I think we can start now. Let's go. All right, this is the first part of the workflow. As you can see, it's a Shopify Collab automation. The requirements of the customer were, I will make a note. Requirements were he is using VAs and he wants to automate a lot of stuff to make sure that automate VA work, reduce mistakes made with outreach, and have a bigger output. So, this is there were on top of my mind requirements for this job, but what I have built is this and this. So it's a two-part workflow that's doing. This is called with a webhook. the VA, he will be able to send in an image URL. For now, this should be a screenshot. That screenshot will be analyzed, just like this. And from that screenshot, we will grab all the members of the collab. As you can see, currently there are 6 items in the screenshot. Those 6 items will be added to the Google spreadsheet. Let me refresh this one. Let's see, all right. And there will be a response back to the webhook. Then when that's done, you will get this spreadsheet with all their details. So what we are currently doing is gathering all these details and trying to figure out, because I'm facing a couple of problems. The website where the collab members are, their socials aren't shown. So you have to open up the member of the collab to know their socials. So for example, I got a pretty good example on the first run. Let me see if I can get that and show it. To scroll back. Let me see where it is. I think this one. Let me see. I think it's this one. Let me see. Yeah. So, for example, this one, when I'm using a fire crawl search, and this, I have to optimize this because currently this was just a lucky shot, I think. The influencer that we were searching was this first item over here, and they have a website. Is this website? But yeah, if you didn't open the website, you wouldn't know that's from them. So in automation, it's really hard if you don't check the output and check the Google spreadsheet and the prompts and the agents, what they are doing, and especially in this first stage of building, yeah, you could really mess up a lot of things. So I'm thinking to adjust the workflow of the VA and report back to the customer to tell him that it isn't possible to work with an API or something. So that's a bit hard. Yeah, that's definitely a problem now. But so I need to think of a solution how I will be able to do it. So yeah, the first, for example, the MVP could be that I just adjust the workflow of the VA. That the VA, let me see if I can show it. Where is the screen? That the VA just opens up the collab and enters, for example, in this spreadsheet, their Instagram information, so their page or something like that. So that could be used to search for the influencer. Let's see what item we got over here. Yeah, for example, this is a really generic name, Jenny Phillips. So when you are trying to find information about this person, you will get all sorts of stuff but not the one we want, because the one we want is, I think she's using a fake name, but let's see. I need to think of a system that will be able to search for the user without maybe, oh, could that be done? Let's see. No. No, I need to think of a system that will be able to search for the influencer, but we only have their so-called first and last name, but we don't know if that's really the correct one or the. So I am thinking of doing it like that, or another solution could be that we just give them the spreadsheet, and the only thing they will have to enter is the Instagram username, because they're able to get it, to get the Instagram username just by opening the collab screen and then scrolling down, and they will see. So I will just pull up one screen. So for example, this is one of the influencers. Let me try to Google Sue Rahel. So I think Sue Rahel. I think we could find her. Yeah. Let me check if she is the correct one and what. Yeah. So that's her Instagram, but Rahel Pfeiffer, art, entertainment, craft, and do-it-yourself. So I need to find her without knowing her Instagram tag. If you have any suggestions how that could be done, let me know, because arts, let me see, arts, what was it? Arts and craft. So if I search, and this is her website, I think. Yeah, this is her website. Okay, so let me go back to the workflow, because it could be just, what did I search now? Let me see. I searched her name and arts and craft. Okay, let's just try it, just like that. Arts and craft. What do we got then? This is a pretty generic name, so I don't think the output will be really good, but let's see. Country, Germany. Okay, it's taking very long. Come on, come on. Yeah, if you have any questions, just get them in the chat. And let's see if I can answer them. One thing I would like to do is Nate Herc, my man, got a new template. Let's see where it is. Where is it? Yeah, this one. All right, this one. So this is definitely something that I am going to try and. Oh, all right, we got that. Yeah. So yeah. No, this is not what we. I don't think this is what we would like and what we are looking for. Art is this? I have to check if this is the influencer we are looking for. Germany, tribute, Instagram media, YouTube. No, this is not what we are looking for, but it could be fun to. Yeah, one thing that's scraping German websites is making pretty easy is they all have to create an impression with all their details. So let's see what the second result is. No, there's just one result. Let me try to add Germany. Jenny Phillips Studio. Now this I won't be able to find this this person. So yeah, that could be also something that we report back on. So we tried to find her, but we didn't find any information about them. So the customer could be able to add their Instagram, for example, and then we could scrape their Instagram. Okay, let's try the next one. This done is done. Okay, let's try the next one. Let's try it. Okay, everything is set. Okay, we're running the workflow. Okay, this is the next one. Let's see what we will get. Of Germany. Oh yeah, nice. Yeah, there. Look, this is pretty cool. This is really cool. So this is exactly what we are looking for. So this is the one. This is the influencer we're looking for. So it's this one. Let's see. Yeah, this one. Yeah. So we are finding their website. Okay, this is a mistake. What's going on? Okay, we have to change this to first. Oh, we have to do this. Oh yeah. Okay. So what we name? Yeah, I changed a couple of nodes in the workflow. So let's see where it is. No, not this one. Switch name. This one, I need this one. Name. It wasn't working. All right, so H. It's one full description. Followers is not working. Drag and drop that one as well. Email 1 undefined, email 2 undefined. So website, it's this one. Or if there's not, I have to drag and drop both because. All right, so email 1, email 2. Let's try if this will work because, yeah, okay, nice. So let's see. So I think for an MVP, this is done. So I can make a video for the customer. Let's run another one and explain to him how the system is working and what's possible with the system. Okay, this is not working. Okay, so just a LinkedIn. So what do we find here? The global head marketing communication. Oh, let me see which one is it. This one. Yeah, so this is for example one that's having her name on the Collab app, but yeah, she's called Lieblingsgeschenk. That's a German word, so we are not able to find her. No, and her Instagram is totally different than her name. So this is one, and we have to think of a system that will be able. So let's see. No, there's not. There's no website, so we're not having any output. Just a LinkedIn. I could add LinkedIn here as well, but this is not the correct person. So let's see. Okay, let's see what we could do if we don't find the correct person, or just let the system run, and what we find, and what we don't find, the VA could handle that. That's something I could report back to the. Okay, so. Oh wait, the system didn't completely run. So what is the okay? Oh yeah, the system didn't completely run. So what we are doing now is to connect this final spreadsheet node to give X like this. So now she has an X. All right. We could add an extra row to our extra column to make clear to the agent, the VA agent. Let's see. Then we're going just to do a couple of testing. So if you can see, there's just a name and the description is just 24. So that's the age. So what is the AI agent able to find? Okay, let me check this one. And Marie, do it yourself. I think. Oh, is this correct? Let me see. Let's check which item we just pulled up. What was the name? Okay, let me. I have to check a couple of times. Sorry for the. I have to see which one this was. Oh yeah, I know. Okay. Oh yeah, this was a couple of. Let's see what the data shows. It's just a website of her and no contact information. All right. Maybe we can just adjust the prompt again, the query, the search query, Artscraft Germany. I need something like very strange man. Okay, so here's her iCloud email address. And the second result is Anime Do-It-Yourself Instagram. Where's her? Let me check this one because this I could add agent. Yeah, I think this is the correct influencer we're looking for. German Etsy shop. Yeah, I think this is the correct one. Okay, let me let's see. The agents. Yeah, so let me just going to try something. Search results. Because this is the first and this is the second result. Yeah, I think what I can do is something like this. This is the prompt currently. And what I wanted the agent to do also, check the search results, markdown. If there is any information about the influencer we are searching for, you will have to be critical and let me know if the website we found is correct and corresponding with the main object we have. We are looking for German influencers, or are they not influencers? Yeah, no, looking for German. Yeah, we're looking for potential collab partners for our Shopify. Let's try it with this prompt. What do we got? Now both markdowns are fit. Yeah, now look, this is so cool. Look, this is exactly what I mean. This is so cool. Look, if we got the email address immediately, we got uh, Impressium. Look, this and this is the person we're looking for. Yeah, this is how you automate. Okay, so let's continue. Let's run this node, and then we will see we got an contact information, Instagram, we got a YouTube URL. So let's do this one and check the. I hope the iCloud will be added. Okay, done. Where is she? Where is she? No, nothing. How is that possible? No email address. What did? Okay. Oh yeah. It's scraping the Etsy website. Let's do this one because there was also when the system is running the whole workflow at once, it will immediately. Yeah, nice. Look, it will do because we found on Impressium, found a contact page, Instagram. We found all these steps. So all these flows will be run. So we will check the Impressium, we will check the contact page, we will check the Instagram. And for the MVP, this is all the customers getting. We could even add Facebook, TikTok, YouTube, LinkedIn, every other source. But for now, we will just keep the scope small and make the customer the MVP as fast as possible. So if you go to this over here, and there is her email address. Nice. Okay. Uh, let's see. Okay, let's do another one with the new system agent prompt. Okay. Okay. What's happening? Let's see. Uh, we don't got any markdown. Oh. Okay, it found the LinkedIn and Instagram. Hmm. Okay, so what was the name? Julia Dag. Okay. Yeah, so yeah, this is really hard to find if you don't have the. So this, okay, we just do the next one. Uh, the nice thing would be Instagram, and now it's scraping the Instagram. The nice thing would be if let me check something. The nice thing would be if the workflow saves the customer a couple of hours a week in paying the VA. So if this workflow saves the customer a couple of hours a week in VA work, the VA could do a lot of other stuff. So let's see what the next one will be. Yeah, too bad that most of them don't have any extra information other than stuff like their first name. You have to open up. Yeah, but if I let me see if they have. The problem is they don't. What's this? In their on their profile, they don't have any contact information as well. So let me, yeah. If I search for the this could be something. If I search for the username, is TikTok, do they have I need to check the profile. Where's the profile? Okay. Insta, no. Oh no, so this, we did some research. We found out that yeah, most of the influencers we're looking for, they don't even have a website. So the ones that have a website will be found. So that's something uh, that is this MVP is solving. So I think that's is good enough for the customer. Bernard Kuch. Okay, let's see what the agent thought about this data. Oh, this is not a correct one. Let me check this this search. I could do something like add some options in the search to not scrape Instagram and LinkedIn, for example. Let me check the Bernard Kuch Arts Craft Germany. Just doing a search myself. No. Okay. So let's do another one. And this is the last one, n8n Kummel. Okay, we found Instagram page. What's this? Let me see. n8n Kummel on. Yeah, so this is the Malus. What is she? She doesn't even have her Instagram here. All right. This could be a bit of a challenge, I think. Let me check. All right. Okay, I'm going to make another screenshot of the collab and show you how it works. Let me scroll down a bit. I see all invited. Okay, I'm taking a screenshot now. Uploading it just to a website for image upload. That could even be something like temp file. I'm not sure if you are familiar with it, but temp file keeps your files for 60 minutes and then they're gone. It's deleted. Then I'm going to this specially built page, sending in the URL, and then go to this workflow, and it's done. So this is the execution we just did. So what we are seeing is we are sending the code to it, and all the information is scraped, extracted from the image, so with OCR, and then they are all added in here like this. So this is done, and they are added to the Google spreadsheet. Then we are going back to this workflow, and I think I can add, let me see if I get one. Yeah, so the description, I could add the description. That's something, yeah, let me try to add the description as well. Maybe that will help finding better results. Oh wait, let's see what's going on. Oh, so it's with a lot of line breaks. I have to. Okay, Okay, wait. This is something I'm always asking ChatGPT to do. It's really important. Make a function node in n8n to clean this output and remove line breaks. I should save, let me copy the output. And then its description. All right, so it's going to work for me. Oh wait, I have to do fix like this. And I will add a function node just for that item because it's really annoying. Yeah, so let's try it again. I have to adjust a couple of things, I think. No, I know we don't have. Let's try the search. Yeah, the search is working now. So, all right. All right, so no search results. Okay, let's see. No, it is okay. So this may be a bit too much. Yeah. So on Shopify Collab, they are advertising with crafts and do-it-yourself in the English words, but something that crossed my mind is maybe I should translate these words to better fit the German market. Let me think about that. All right, let's translate it. Handwerken, Heimwerken. Let's see if the result is going to be better. And remove Germany. Maybe Germany is too generic. All right. Immediately, the first result is, I think her Facebook page. Balci Nurdan. Nope, that's not the correct one. And the LinkedIn. Okay. So let me check the collab page. What her Nurdan Balci. Nurdan Balci. Okay. No, I don't think this will work. Maybe I can do something like Instagram or website. Because, yeah, Nurdan Balci. This is her Instagram, I think. Let's see if this is correct. No, not the correct one. Oh, this is it. Yeah, I think I found her. Yeah, this is it. All right. Yeah, so it's pretty Instagram or website. Let me think about it, man, because that's something that could mess up website 1, website 2. Let me feed both to the agent. Yeah, the error. Yeah, there's no, just checking what the agent will output. Which, okay, so it's outputting both of them. Okay, so what will happen when we do? Yeah, I'm not sure if the system is going to do. Let's see what will happen because now are they both going to? Yeah, both the URLs are going to be scraped. Okay. Yeah. So I have to adjust the prompt. Okay. 6. If there are two URLs to Instagram accounts, pick the one with the most followers. And it was in the data, right? No, it wasn't. Oh, the description. Okay. Okay. So description website 1. This one. Yeah, this one. And description website 2. And we can immediately test this, of course. Just rerun this prompt. Oh, yeah, over there. And let me enter this one time. Okay, so let's see what it will do. If it will, yeah, okay, nice. Look, it picked the one we need. So let's do it again. Let's go back to the system. Yeah, look, nice. It entered the information. Maybe we should, let me just add another thing to the workflow. Is to add the let's see, Instagram information. Let's add the URL. Info URL. So yeah, link. No username. So what we could tell the customer is that he will be able to scrape all this data, and he could use the data, of course. It's his data. He paid for it. Save it. Let's do another one. I like this. Yeah, you could change this agent with 11 Elena Verdugo. I'm not sure. Let me see which one I'm looking for. Just scrolling a bit on the different page. Yeah, I definitely think this could work. This could actually work, just like this. Marina Elefanta Verdugo. Okay, let's see if this is the one we're looking for. No, she is an influencer, but not the one we're looking for. But you are giving the VA, if he is going to do this work manually, a little bit of a head start. He can just work with the spreadsheet, upload a new screenshot, and work with the spreadsheet. The only thing that he has to do is just keep track of the spreadsheet. Yeah, I think this. Let's see what the item was. Sarah Neuendorf. Nice. She has a website, right? Yeah. All right. Let's see. Output. No markdown. Let me just do one little. Oh yeah, okay. I'm already doing that. Instagram. Okay. I I think we're done. Yeah. I think we're done for the MVP. Let's see if this, okay, look, this is a German influencer, marketing, beauty, DM or email. And there's no email, yeah, so you could definitely adjust that. All right, let's do another one for the final test. Yeah, so this workflow is done. Something that we are going to add in a different workflow is that he will be able to search if he checks, for example, opens up a Collab account, goes to the social media accounts, grab their, so let me just check one because I just saw a URL in somebody's, yeah, so here it is. All right. Okay, so there's a oh my God. Germany is like a third world country when it comes to internet, man. Damn. All right. Yeah, what information will he search for? There's no contact information on their Instagram as well. Sometimes there's a website, so it's not even working. Let me just do so if it scrapes that, will it be sent to the spreadsheet? I think it will, right? So there's the email address. Let me just do another one, just to check the rest. No, that's not correct, man. No, that's not correct as well. Funny. Okay. All right. We will just need to build a little extra workflow that's going to do something like this. Let me copy this part. Wait, do it like this. Extra workflow. And let me just build it really quickly. We don't need that one. We don't need that. We will need the spreadsheet, and that's one we will need. So we are going to need this one. Disconnect that. What he will be able to do then as well is to post to the webhook, and we are going to search for the Instagram profile. For now, we are going to add just a possibility to do it with a form, just to show it. For example, form on your form event, enter the Instagram URL, add Instagram URL, required field. So let's connect it. And let me grab on one from here. Oh, wait, yeah, okay, let's do that one, that one. Everything is off, right? Yeah, okay. Why is it giving? Yeah, okay. Okay, form submitted. We just have to adjust this trigger to here. delete that one, enter the Instagram URL, execute step. Let's see what we will get, because I saw that they got an website in their, let's see, in their bio. So which item is that? So the external URLs, is it? Oh no, it's over here. Yeah, okay. Damn, freaking blind. So this is the external URL. Nice, I need to grab that one. So then activate the Google spreadsheet, match. Yeah, that's something. All right. I need to add that to the name of the influencer. So I need to add the name so we can match them on the spreadsheet as well. So what was the name? The name. Put this one. So it's this name. Let me execute it again. This and Instagram. So this could be so something like a follow-up workflow. So for now, the MVP is 3 workflows. This one, and the analyze this one. So you can do bulk. So for example, take 20 screenshots of all kinds of influencers, send them to the system, and the system will extract and analyze them. Then it will search for the influencers, his credentials and website and other stuff like that. And then if that's all not enough results, he can send in on the webhook a form to extract the Instagram account as well. And then we are going to add that to the page. So on the form, so name is name. This is something we're going to delete. This is something we are deleting, or must we pick it up from here? Followers, okay, we can pick it up. Followers, divide it. And we can add the URL website, just like this. Make it an Excel and the Instagram information. Let's see what the result now was. Jenny, where is she? Oh, I didn't, okay. I didn't even have her in the system, I think. Jenny Vogel, okay. Then we're going to add that. Yeah, so she's here. So that's something we have built. So 3 workflows, 3 systems where he will be able to extract all the information he needs. And of course, I think that's the best part of building such an automation, is you will have all this data forever. So you can just keep this spreadsheet and reuse the data for all your e-commerce stores and try to collab with them. So for now, we are done. I'm going to do the implementation to the dashboard off screen, but for now, this is up and running. Let me just go quickly to the n8n template and let's see what he built today. Where is it? Import from file. Where is it? This one? Yeah, all right, okay. Nate is using Google Spreadsheet. Yeah, man. Everybody's, it's funny to see that everybody's switching to Google Spreadsheet and stuff like that. Because, yeah, They were before using all what's it called Airtable and stuff like that. Hey, bro, trust me, bro. Google spreadsheet, the only thing you will need. Hey, what's this? Object and caption. I don't have this one. So this is the node for both of the agents. And objects and caption. Okay. Nate Herc. Yeah, man. Leroy Jenkins. Connect. Yeah. Open. Oh, yeah. Of course. Open router. Yeah. Blotato. Yeah. That's a pretty cool service they have. That's yeah. That is yeah. Pretty cool. Posting to YouTube, Instagram, and TikTok at once. Yeah. Yeah. In my experience, uh, posting from an automation to all the social media uh, platforms, I wouldn't do that. I will not. Uh, I will. I will never. Yeah. Never post to YouTube, TikTok, Instagram if you don't have with the automation. Always do manually. I got. Where is it? Yeah, bro. Yeah, almost to half a K, bro. Half a K. 500 subs. Uh, Always do something like this. Where is it? Just going to search for it. I will show it in the horror stories. No, this one. Yeah, I will do something like this. Download the video, upload it to your Google Drive, send the URL of the file or the whole file to your Gmail and upload it manually. Yeah, that if you're posting with automation, that's something that will happen, man. Never use automation to post on those websites. Always use manually posting. Always. Let's go back to the n8n template. Let's see what we got. Yeah, so I need the template. Let's see if it's posted on the. Where is it? It's over here. Is the spreadsheet posted? No spreadsheet. Okay, we have to create a spreadsheet ourselves, but I think in the spreadsheet is something like. Yeah. Definitely could do it with a VA. Let me see. On these, yeah. You're a beast, man. You're a beast. Pretty cool website. Oh, I'm not a fan of the small navigation bar. I would blend it with this part. I would blend them. Yeah, nice, man. So will get me demonetized by looking at underwear for women. Thanks, bro. Okay. Then idea agent. You're an yeah. I always read up on the system prompts because that's really intriguing. You're an AI agent. Select unique fruit rates, master glass cutting videos. Have already been used. Your job is to generate one. You will receive a list of 7 fruits. Okay, that's a bit strange of building the. Why don't? Yeah, you should just make a function node, especially if it's with a scheduled trigger that runs, and every time the flow runs, it has to output a different kind of fruit. So it's strange to get the agent glass. Yeah, I would never do that. I will not, yeah. And then the prompt agent, you're an agent that's specialized in generating text to video prompt optimized for ASMR style videos using, okay. Oh yeah, okay. The board, material, walnut light, okay. Subject, setting, action, okay. So it's funny. Not sure if you are familiar with this. Let's see, chat. So for example, you could go to Open Router on German style, Open Router. Grab the system prompt n8n, select all the latest models, enter the prompt, and let's just see what the latest models are doing with it. So you could test, especially if you are making templates for production, you could test like this. If the system prompt is functioning correctly with all the latest models. Yeah, you can even add more, add even add Mistral or anything else. Let's do Minimax. And set ground person ready to generate. Okay, a hyper detailed. Yeah, so this is so interesting. If you are into, yeah, I'm a little bit an AI nerd, but Cloud Sonnet 4, it's the smartest dude in the room. So you will just respond with stuff like this. 4.1 is just a hardworking factory guy. Okay, you want a subject, and you want ASMR, and it immediately output the correct thing. Gemini, also the same. Grok, also the same. So pretty interesting. Let's select 4040. Oh, this one as well. And again, let's see what the result will be. Yeah, now look, okay. They're all onto it. Okay, Minimax is reasoning, thinking about it. Nice. So hang on, I will have another amazing tip just in a second when Minimax is finished rendering a reasoning and thinking about it. Yeah. So this, yeah, don't use a reasoning model for workflows like this. We don't need them. We don't need this. Okay. Something I am. Okay, that's done. Create video with video 3. Yeah, so you will, yeah. So this is also a way to clean up the JSON output. Otherwise, you will get JSON invalid trouble with your prompts. Generate audio through 5 minutes, get results. Results, delete first row. Okay, delete first row, append object, ID object in URL. Okay, funny. Oh, nice. Okay, so this is a pretty cool little template. Yeah, I'll just save it. Glass, ASMR, videos. Okay, that's okay for now. I will show you something way cooler. I think it's pretty cool. So, oh wait, no. Oh shit. So let me see preview video. What I have done here is generating with a storyboard. So generating videos with a storyboard will make the output of your videos 10 times better and also character consistent. So if you generate an image prompt like this. These are all image prompts. We're going to split them out and I will show it to you. This is the first prompt. Let's go to full AI. This 11 labs. This is image. Okay, I can just show it to you here. Explore. Then a little bit testing. Let's see if I'm not sure if it was this model. No, no. Okay, we could just do something like this. Enter the prompt. Go. Grab the second prompt. Go to the model again. So do you see the result? The second prompt. This is so, yeah. No, you won't get this information. Do you see the cat? Do you see the output? This is the first one, and this is the second one. So as you can see, the output isn't, yeah, like we want it. Just tell me in chat if there is any n8n guru talking about stuff like this, because I will show you what we are doing. Let me grab the URL. Just tell me if there's any guru on all those guru websites, if they are doing stuff like this, and you get this for free only today, because tomorrow you'll have to pay for it. I will just show it to you, because it's so sometimes so hard to break free from the chains of all those YouTubes, Twitters, Reddits, because everybody got all the knowledge, but they don't spill the beans. Yeah, we can just do it with this model, I think. I will just show you. And after this final tip, I'm going to leave you and enter stream, because we are spitting too much alpha and you all are going to copy me. So we have entered the storyboard and we are doing the same prompts again. These are the same prompts. So let me grab the second, where was it? As you can see, do you see the result? Okay. I'm going to get the second prompt. Yeah, give some love in the chat, man, for this tip. Give some love in the chat. Kabane, do you see the character consistency? Do you see it? Yeah, give some love in the chat. And this is all free tips for you. Here, another one, the third prompt. And just like this, you can just do the Nate Herc template and all those other dudes on. Do you see the character consistency? This is how you make templates and how you make production ready workflows. You can just follow the hype and do VO3. Yeah, I can do VO3. Just go to full AI, go to VO3. You don't need all those templates. Copy the curl and go to your workflow, HTTP request, import curl, import it. Full AI is breaking that. Otherwise, just go to the Nate Herc template, grab the node, and you can just start creating all those kind of videos. It's not hard. This is hard. This building automations like these, getting real videos out. So for now, I think we are done. I got another assignment, and that's something I'm going to build. I will give you a little insight what I'm going to build. That's image to video generator for a special client of mine. So if you're a beginner with n8n, just subscribe, hit the bell, do all those stuff to make the algo happy. And let me know if you have any questions. You can find me on Twitter, on school, on Reddit, everywhere. The omnipresence is heating up. All right, this was the stream for today. I think next week going to stream 3 more times. So if you have any questions, just wait for the other streams. Have a nice day wherever you are, and see you next time. Bye bye.